ngixoxele indaba zakhe. Umawelele so mina angizazi kahle angizazi ukuthi ngimephi. Ngakhetha umdedela ke ukuthi abe nepeace, abe right. Because phela bese ngimthanda ngedwa mina ade sengithanda ade sengiyikhansela yimini ikhansela shuthi bekuyimini ikhansela ngoba ngiyikhansela ke sathi umhlala phansi ke akabe right umawelele ngizoqhubeka ngibe single vele. It's not like khona mhlawumbe tezoncinza. Guys, I'm serious mina umalele ngigcineni nokhuluma naye mhlawumbe ngigcineni nokhuluma naye ngabe futhi uyabona ngiposta ngaye guys yini bafethu ayisekho nje le yanhlansi leyana ngicela ningikholo sengi right ngumawelele ngitep right hayi ngambulali miyekeni nje thiwa umthando bomyeyela hambe kuthena uhlela ukhala guys mncane abiminuthi ngaloyo ngisito somfana awu yebo angeke nje mane bashimane. I mean, I'm serious. I can even show you guys the conversation. Guys, I'm serious. Yo. Serious. Yo. Guys, I'm serious. As you can even. Namhlanje ngidungulela ulon give on khale ngumale ethi it's love somebody loves you back na ngizonitshengisa guys a conversation. I'm gonna post the conversation on my stories, okay? I'm gonna post the conversation on my stories. Ukuthi iyaleka nakhona nje it's not like mhlambe fethu umalele masingambiza la athi ngim-add let me add him khona nizombuza kahle guys. Nje umalele mangam-add la okay, he's even online. Guys, I'm no longer dating Mawelele. We're no longer dating. Sanbonani, Umamgopozi Industry. If it's your first time, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell for the next update. Hi bogayizini, na hii video yavela sathi hi lo noma kungathiwa ni umaweleli wakanaledi aphiwe awusagijima ke thina abomamgopozi be-industry sathi naledi ubonile ukuthi kwenzakalani that side. Naledi athi hayi ngibonile gayizini ngizongichazela into ithi gayizini mina nomawelele vele kudala sihlukene because of yimi nje bengithanda umawelele yena wayengafaki the same effort le mina bengifaka ku relationship yethu, so ngabona ukuthi hayi ngcono iphele into yethu. Sathi hawu ngempela manje ungashongo ntombazana wathi hayi yazini inkinga ukuthi manje sengitrende kakhulu so bengingafuni ukuthi nalena kube into enkulu. Sathi hayi ke ntombazana akunankinga kena. So injalo nje indaba yakanaledi nomawelele seyiphelile, it ended in tears. Kodwa ke the only thing that we can do is to wish them both luck on their own lives going forward. Right. So guys, bengafuni vele ukudlala ilentuzana i-recording leyo naledi achaza khona or abonisa ukuthi wayengathandwa kodwa
wena uyasebenza ngomhla ka-14 uyasebenza uzobe usemsebenzini uzobe ukuyigigi uperforma izinto ey'njalo nje lezi zama-lovey-dovey Khohlwa yiyo, uyobe usebenza wena. Uyobe usebenza, uyobe ubhizi. Hawu, usukhohliwe yini?
So yaphela kanjalo-ke indaba yabo. So nange-Valentine's Day kusho ukuthi ubrother yena nje bekangazingile. Kodwa-ke kulungile makuyintando yakho. Gayizini ningakhohlwa ukungilandela. Ngiyanithanda sana, ngiyanithanda sana, ngiyanithanda.